All right, we're out here today. We're shooting video on Taggett Lake, and I've got the photographer out. Had an unfortunate incident with the drone. The drone actually hit a tree, it fell in the lake, but quick snapshot, there's the house that we're selling. And we're gonna go find the drone in the lake. First step is to locate the drone. It's got to be out here somewhere.
Oh, I see it. It's right there. You see the yellow, orange wing? Right there.
I found it. I got to go in. Crikey. I hope the gators don't get me. Victory. This is mine.
All right, Dean.
A bit of cardio workout.